All right, so now we're over here at Chris's basement. He's got a claw machine here that I've got to check out. I've seen everybody using it, so I'm just going to have to get my hands on it and see if I can win something. So let's check it out. All right, so we're here with Chris from Chris's basement. I've watched a lot of your YouTube videos and stuff, so it's cool seeing you here. So what do we got here? You decided to build a claw machine.
Yeah, so 3D printing claw machine. So the idea was, you know, everybody brings a 3D printer to all these festivals.
Yeah.
And we kind of wanted to do something more interactive with the kids, you know, so they weren't standing around watching their dads look at awesome 3D printers. So we decided on the claw machine because it is really close to a 3D printer.
Yeah,
so
it is, yeah.
We just made pretty much everything is 3D printer spare parts, NEMA 17 motors. It's got pretty much the same carriage. It's partition, kind of a Creality style setup.
Yeah.
Alter the brackets some. But the big thing is it runs Marlin out of the box.
Yeah, yeah.
So Marlin supports an analog joystick. It supports buttons. Really, the only tricky part was the claw, and it's basically the same thing. It's a NEMA 17 with a couple of wire ropes and hairspring.
Yeah.
So it's basically a 3D printer, just a turn claw machine.
Yeah. When I first started getting into 3D printing a few years ago, and then I a little bit later saw a claw machine, I was like, oh, that's like the same thing.
Absolutely.
So that's pretty cool. So let's see what we do. We just do we hit start and then
hit start.
Does it got multiple moves? You can go left and right, or is this one?
Yeah, it's completely analog any direction. So
okay.
And you can go as slow or fast.
Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's got some speed to it.
Yeah.
What do we got? What do we got? Is it a scam claw machine? Does it open up?
I tried to make it as easy as possible.
Yeah.
This one, we had several different bucket designs, but this one is the easiest one to do the claw because actually the first 10 layers are TPU. So it actually kind of has a rubber mouth on the bottom, so it'll go around odd objects.
Yeah. You know, a lot of claw machines don't really grab too well. Yeah. It's cool seeing one that actually is not a scam. You know?
That's been one of the things that I've learned, actually, bringing the claw machine out to these festivals. I'll run into people that know the workings of the actual machines. And there's difficulty settings inside the machine.
Yeah.
They can turn it up and down.
Okay. To make it like loose a little bit. Yeah. I figured there was either that or some sort of like lottery number kind of thing. 1 in 50 will actually kind of grab harder. But.
Right. Well, the whole thing is open source out on GitHub.
Okay.
So I've seen a few people make these of their own machines already.
Okay.
But maybe that's a feature somebody will integrate. Difficulty settings.
Yeah.
So.
All right. Well, I appreciate it, man.
All right.
It's good seeing you here.
Thank you.
Thank you.